Good morning, children. Sairam. Last class we saw ascending order and descending order. Shall we revise that? Just small explanation, then we'll move on to the new concept. Yes? So what do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, isn't it? Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Now tell me, what do you mean by descending order? Arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So till now, you're all clear? Shall we move to the new concept? Are you all ready? So today we'll see ordinal numbers. Do you know what do you mean by ordinal numbers? So ordinal numbers are a kind of number names. So you all know to write the number names, right? ONE1, TWO2, you all know to write the number names. So ordinal numbers are also a kind of number names. They show the position of things that are placed in a fixed order. They show the position of things that are placed in a fixed order. Let me repeat. Ordinal numbers are a kind of number names. It is same like the number names. So they show the position, which position it is of things. They show the position of things that are placed in a fixed order. Okay, how will you stand for the prayer? How will you stand in the prayer? One behind the other, right? So first, second, third, right? How will you say that position? First, second, third. And in a running race, what position you got? How will you tell that? I got first place, I got second place, like that we'll tell, right? So that is the ordinal number. We'll see some examples now. So they show the position, which position you are. So they show the position of things that are placed in a fixed order. Just see this example now. So it is a clown show. See the clowns. So position of each child in a clown show. So they are standing one behind the other, right? How they are standing? One behind the other. So how will you say that? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. How will you say? First, you will not say 1, 2, right? So he is in first place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. We'll see the spellings of this now. 1. How will you write in the ordinal number? First. How we have to write? First. F I R S T. Just repeat after me, children. F I R S T. Because you know the spelling of 1. Do you all know the spelling of first? I'll say repeat after me. F I R S T. So 1 in the ordinal number, how will you write? How will you say that? First. F I R S T. First. Then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are cardinal numbers. What do you call? Cardinal numbers. And this we are going to write in ordinal numbers. So 2, we'll say in ordinal number as second. Second. I'll say the spelling. You repeat after me, children. S E C O N D. Second. S E C O N D. second. Now 3. Third, we are going to write it in the cardinal number as third. How will you say in the cardinal number? Third. So T H I R D, third. T H I R D, third. Now 4. The cardinal number, it is fourth. Now we are going to add TH. We are going to add TH at the last to the number names. You know the number, you all know the number names, right? So now you are going to add TH. So fourth. You know the spelling of 4, right? F O U R. Add TH. Fourth. TH. F O U R T H. Fourth. 5 in the cardinal number. Fifth. F I F T H. Fifth. F I F T H. F I F T H. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then 6 in the cardinal number. How will you say in ordinal number? 6. 6 in ordinal number, it is sixth. S I X T H. Sixth. Let me repeat. S I X T H. Sixth. 7. Ordinal number. Seventh. What will you say? Seventh. He is in 7th place, like that. 7th, 6th, 7th. Shall we see the spelling now? So repeat after me, children. S E V E N T H. 7th. S E V E N T H. 7th. Then 8. 8 in the ordinal number. 8th. E I G H T H. E I G H T H. Then 9th. N I 9. So in the ordinal number, 9th. How will you say? 9th. N I N T H. N I N T H. 9th. So we have to take E. N I N. Then you have to add T H. 9th. N I N T H. Now 10 in ordinal number. 10th. T E N T H. Repeat after me, children. T E N T H. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Clear this up to this, children? So now we'll see ordinal numbers beyond 10. So 11 in ordinal number. 11th. How will you say? 11th. 11. E L E V E N at T H. 11th. T H. E L E V E N T H. 11th. 12. Ordinal number. 12th. Just see the spelling. 12th. It is totally different. So let's see. T W E L F T H. Repeat after me, children. 12th. 12th. T W E L F T H. 12th. And 13, 14, 15 all are same. Only you are going to add For ordinal number, you're going to add TH. We'll see that also. So 12 spelling is, in ordinal number, 12th. 13. Now 13. 13 in ordinal number, 13th. So T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N. 13. Then add TH. TH. T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N, T, H. 13th. Then 14 in ordinal number, 14th. 14th, how will you say? 14th. F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N, T, H. F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N, T, H. 14th. Now 15th. So 15 in ordinal number, we'll say 15th. F, I, F, T, E, E, N, T, H. Repeat after me, children. 15th. F, I, F, T, E, E, N, T, H. So 11 in ordinal number, 11th, 12, 12th, 13th, then 14, 14th, 15, 15th. 16. How will you say in ordinal number? 16th. 16th. S, I, X, T, E, E, N. 16th. TH. Add TH. S, I, X, T, E, E, N, T, H. 16th. Now 17. Ordinal number, 17th. S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N, T, H. N, T, H. 17th. S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N, T, H. N, T, H. Okay. Now 18. How will you write in ordinal number? 18th. Say 18th. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N, T, H. 18th. Repeat after me, children. 18th. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N, T, H. 18th. You're going to add TH at the last. Only 12 will be different, I think so. So next 19. 19th. Ordinal number, 19th. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N, T, H. 19th. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N, T, H. 19th. So 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. Next 20. How will you write in ordinal number? 20th. How will you say? 20th. Shall we see the spelling now? See, it is different. Just repeat after me. See, in the number name we have TWENTY for 20, right? So just take the Y and add IE. Then after that TH, you have to add TH. Take Y, change the Y to IE and add TH. Shall we see the spelling now? Repeat after me, children. 20th. T, W, E, N, T, I, E, T, H. 20th. So repeat after me, children. T, W, E, N T I E T H, 20th in ordinal number. So next 21, how will you write in ordinal number? So now change only the second number. So 20 you keep as it is. What is the second one? 1, how will you write in ordinal number? First, right? So 21 you will write in ordinal number as 21st. 21st. TWENTY, 20, first, FIRST, 21st. So after this 20, you're going to change only the second one, second number. So 21 means 21st, 22nd, then 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, like that it goes on. Now we'll see one example now. Position of each child in a sack race. The school is conducting one sack race. Now tell me, who is in the first position? So this girl, she is in first position, right? So first. How will you write? So I don't have place, I'm telling it first. What is the spelling of first? FIRST. So she is in the first position, right? First. Then, so this girl is, so she, he or she, it is in second position. So second, what is the spelling? SECOND, second position. SECOND. Who is in the third position? Yes. So third. THIRD. You're going to write third, right? THIRD. Third. Next. Fourth position. Fourth. How will you say? Fourth position, right? FOURTH. Fourth position. So last. Fifth. 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 So you all know the ordinal numbers, right, children? Next we'll see one more example now. In the class exam, Akruti's rank was 12. Akruti's rank was 12. Pallavi's rank was 21. And Arushi's was 27. And Kinjal's was 31. So shall we write them in the ordinal numbers? So Akruti, what rank she is? So 12. How will you write in the ordinal number? 12th, right? So we'll say it as 12th rank. So shall we write the spelling now? Repeat after me, children. Akruti was 12th rank. She is in 12th rank. So TWELTH. 12th. Say one more time. Repeat after me. TWELFTH. Now Pallavi, which rank she is? 21. So how will you write in ordinal number? 21st. How will you say? 21st in ordinal number. So 20. TWENTY. 21st. FIRST. She is in 21st rank. 21st. And Arushi, she was in which rank? 27. So how will you write in? How will you write in ordinal number? 27th. 27th. So TWENTY. 27th. SEVENTH. Let me repeat. Repeat after me, children. 27th. T W E N T Y 27th. S E V E N T H 27th. Now Kinjal, what rank she is? 31. How will you write in the ordinal number? 31st, isn't it? 31st. So T H I R T Y 31st. F I R S T 31st. Now next we'll see the concept of even and odd numbers. So we'll see the object that are in twos form a pair. If it is in twos, it forms a pair. Just see this example. The object that is in twos forms a pair. Now see how many gloves we have? 1, 2. So it is in pair, right? So we'll say it as a pair. Pair of gloves. What we call it as? Pair. So if it is in the twos, we call it as a pair. Next one, pair of shoes. So two we are having. So how we'll say? Pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. Third one, pair of socks. Two we are having, right? So how we will say it? Pair of socks. So the object that are in twos form a pair. That are in twos form a pair. Next. Numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. See, if you can arrange them in pairs, then it is called even numbers. Numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. So just see one example now. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? Now I am forming it in a pair, 2, 2. So 2, this 2, 2. So if I can arrange them in pairs, then it is a even number. If I can arrange them in pairs, then it is a even number. So thus 6 is an even number. So next class we'll see in detail about the even and odd numbers. Yes. So given you one worksheet. Choose the correct answer. Finish that. Then write the ordinal number for the given numbers 8, 12 and 25. So see you in next class, children. Finish the worksheet. Thank you.